Ever felt that jolt of uncertainty when your multimeter shows a voltage reading on a circuit you were positive was dead? Ghost voltages are a massive headache for electricians and DIYers alike, leading to dangerous confusion and wasted hours chasing phantom readings in conduit-packed boxes. That is exactly why the Fluke 117 digital multimeter is the gold standard for your tool bag. This true RMS powerhouse features a specialized low impedance mode, or low Z, that automatically dissipates those stray voltages so you only see the real, hard truth of what's energized. I've been relying on this meter for all my recent commercial jobs, and the integrated VoltAlert non-contact voltage detection is a total lifesaver. I can quickly check for live wires without even pulling out the leads. Whether you're measuring frequency, capacitance, or using the min-max average function to track signal fluctuations, the Fluke 117 delivers professional-grade accuracy in a rugged, one-handed design. It's Cat 3 safety-rated and features a bright LED backlight, making it the most dependable partner you can have in dark basements or complex panels. Stop guessing with your safety and start troubleshooting with confidence. Click the link in the description to add this to your cart right now and snag a special promotion. You can make a direct purchase through the link in the description and get the precision of a Fluke in your hands today.